to make a screencast or to record your iPad screen with your voice, go into your settings, and you want to go to the control center. Customize the controls, and by default screen recording is down here. You have to hit the plus. So what you will probably see is this. Find screen recording, hit the plus, and it will pop up there. What that means is when you come here and swipe from the corner, this is your screen recording button. If you press and hold on it, you can turn the microphone on or off, start recording, and it's recording now. Everything that happens on your screen is being recorded. And then when you're done, come up here and say stop. And then this saves to your photos.